Hi students, welcome to our fourth class Introduction to Computer. Dear students, in this year we learn about a computer, second parts of computer, third Windows, fourth Paint and fifth use of a computer. Dear students, this is our in this year we learn five topics of computer subject. First topic is a computer. Dear students, in this topic, we learn physical and mental efforts. What is mean physical and mental efforts? What is computer and function of computer? Okay, dear students, let's start. First, physical efforts. Dear students, you know physical efforts. Physical efforts means we can do with our hand or legs. Okay, this is a physical efforts. Okay, now start. Any work that we do with our hand or leg is called a physical efforts. At home we use many machine to reduce our physical effort. Machine like iron, geyser, mixer, vacuum cleaner and washing machine save our time and energy. They help us do the work quickly and easily. Just you know, in our home we use iron, geyser, mixer, vacuum cleaner, washing machine. There are many machines we use. Why use these? Because we can save our time and energy. These are the machines. Okay, physical efforts means we can do with our hand or legs. For example, in our first picture, dumbbells or exercise. Second picture, cycling. Third picture, running. These are the physical efforts. Okay, you understand physical efforts. What does mean physical efforts? Physical efforts means any work that we do with our hand or leg. This is called physical efforts. Okay, next, mental efforts. What is mental efforts? Any work that is challenging to the brain is called mental efforts. Mental effort means not mental, means it challenging to the brain. In our school or at home we do some learn poem by heart, memorize date and event in history and learn geography and science. This need a lot of mental effort. Even those who work in shop, bank and office have to do some work that need a lot of mental efforts, and so we use a machine that will help us reduce our mental effort. Machine like calculator and computer help us to so our work easily, quickly and without any mistake. Okay, mental efforts means this work is challenging to the brain. For example, suppose I give one example. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. This is challenging to the brain. Okay, this is the mental efforts. Any work either we can do using brain, that is mental efforts. Okay, in our picture they are showing the loading, means they are in our mind we can process our any answer. Okay, that is the mental efforts. Here the main difference between physical, that is a mental effort, and physical efforts. Physical efforts means we can do with your hand, and mental efforts means we can uh, use a brain. Next point, what is a computer? Dear students, a computer is an electronic machine. A computer is an electronic machine which is made of different parts like keyboard, mouse, CPU, box, monitor and printer. You know that. Okay, monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse and printer. These are the main parts of computer, and computer is a electronic machine. A computer is used to write, draw, do sum, play games, listen to music, and watch cartoon film and movies. It works very fast. These students, computer work very fast. It does not make mistake. It make our work very easy. It can remember many things. It reduce our physical and mental efforts. Physical efforts means challenge to leg and hand, and mental efforts means challenge to the brain. This machine help us to reduce physical and mental efforts. Then next, function of a computer. This one's the three main function of computer. Function means main process of computer. Okay. First input, second processing, and third output. What does mean input? First function is input, means data, numbers, letter or picture entered into a computer is called input. Means suppose using keyboard we type number, letter. Using scanner we can scan the picture and send to the computer, means main system, that is CPU. This is called a input. Data means number, letter or picture we can enter into the computer. This is called input. Processing, when the computer work on the input, it is called processing. For example, you type number, for example 1 plus 1, this is the input, and processing means computer process or on your input, that is 1 plus 1, that is the answer is 2. Output, information given out by a computer after processing the input is called output. The output can be seen on the monitor or printer on paper. Example 1 plus 1 is answer is 2. Then this answer display on the monitor or printer. Okay. Next, I give one example of to understand this example. Okay, in our picture there is a electronic kettle is filled with water. The kettle is plugged into the electric socket. The on switch is proceed. Then this is input. Process mean the tea bag are to place in the teapot. The water in the kettle boil. The boiling water is poured into the tea pot and the tea brew. Output, the brewed tea is poured into a tea cup, milk is added, the tea is consumed. This is the main process, input, process, output. One other example in our book, page number 4. You must have seen a flour mill. Flour mill means pitachi girni. In flour mill, food grain are put into the big vessel at the top, means वरच्या भांड्यामध्ये. They are crushed in the garner and flour come out from the opening at the bottom of the flour mill. Food grain put into the big vessel are input. The crushing or grinding of the food grain into flour is called processing. The flour which come out of the flour mill is our output. Means आपण पिठाच्या गिरणीमध्ये गेल्यानंतर बघतो की ज्यावेळेस तांदूळ, गहू, ज्वारी वरून टाकतात, ही इज द इनपुट, आणि ते मशीन म्हणजे ते पिठाची गिरणी बारीक करते, ही इज द प्रोसेसिंग. आउटपुट म्हणजे खालीवरून येणारं पीठ. ही इज द मेन प्रोसेस ऑफ कम्प्युटर ऑल्सो. मीन इनपुट, प्रोसेस, आउटपुट. वी प्रोव्हाइड डेटा टू द कम्प्युटर, that is input. They can process the data, this is the processing, and give the information, that is the output. This is the main function of a computer. Input, enter the data in the computer. Processing, working on the input. Output, give the information. Okay, these are the main process. Dear students, thank you. Solve your exercise and send me your exercise on our group. Thank you.